I've been doing a repair on this swivel vise, a 7-inch Yost swivel vise. Got the machine work done. I'm fine-tuning the repair. Just showing the coping of the repair to the base. I gotta use some JB weld. I gotta prep that up a little more. Use some JB weld and do some JB weld body work. Look at this corner of this casting. It looks almost like a bead, like a weld bead there, but it's not, because here's another one that looks like a weld bead. It must be in the mold in the pattern. That's pretty neat. Anyway, this is going to be a outside vise on a stand. Let me take this apart. I may V-groove some of this here and put a weld in here. I don't know if I'm going to need it yet. Anyway, there's a ledge there. Hard to see really, but the back of the repair bears on that ledge. Had to make it so wide because of the porosity of the repair weld from before. But anyway, so it's not going to swivel all the way around 360, but it's going to be on a stand. So okay, thanks for watching my video.